Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today for the third intermediate grade. Our subject is the English language from the book Supergirl 6. Okay, this is the book Supergirl 6, not the full blast, not the Traveler. So this is the Supergirl 6. For the second semester of this year, our lesson is Unit 2, Form, Meaning, and Function. This presentation is prepared by Bushra Sib'i. Thank you very much, Teacher Bushra. And it will be presented by me, Sultan Shahrani. So, at first, thank you everyone for being with me. Really, I'm happy to be with you. It's my pleasure to be with you. And the second thing, are you ready to begin our lesson for today? Are you ready, everyone? We have some objectives. In this lesson, we are going to use auxiliaries models to make requests. Okay, use the imperative for commands, report requests and commands to convey the news. We have a warm-up at the beginning. Describe each picture, then match the words report, request, give instruction or command. So I want you to tell me which one of them, of those three, is reporting, which one is requesting, and which one is giving instruction or commanding. So let's start with the first one, reports. Which one is reporting? This one or this one or this one? Number one, number two, number three. What do you think? Excellent. This one is reporting. Beautiful. Requests. Which one is requesting? Number one or number two? Let's say this is number one. Let's say this is number two. What do you think? Which one of them is requesting? Excellent. This one. Can you see it? Help. She wants something. She's requesting for something. Beautiful. Okay. Giving instruction. As you see it, the teacher is giving instruction to the student. Okay, so he's saying, write your name. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Excellent. So we can say, she asked for a help. Okay. Number two, teacher gives a student instruction. And the third one, she tells news. At the beginning, we will start with the requests. Okay, with the requests. So, we use can, could, will, or would for requests. Can, could, will, or would. For example, can you help me? Or could you help me? We can say, will you help me? Would you help me? If you are agreeing, you want to do that, you want to help him, for example, you can say sure or no problem. Maybe you can say of course. If you are refusing, you are disagree, you are refusing, you can say sorry, I can't. Or not now, I'm busy. Okay, so I want you to remember that can, could, will, would, we use it at the beginning of the question for requesting, for requests. Okay? Is this one good? Is it good for you? Understood? Everyone? Okay, very nice. Beautiful. Let's go to the commands. Okay, if you want to make commands, you have to use imperatives to give instructions. So, we use the imperatives to give instructions, which means commands. For example, turn right at the instruction. Turn right at the instruction. So we start with the verb, with the command. Okay? Don't park the car here. Don't park the car here. So those are instructions or commands. Okay? The third one, number 3, reporting, requests, and commands. Okay, so if we want to report or request or make a command, okay, we have to use this rule or this grammar rule. The first thing we have to start with the subject. After that, ask or tell. If it's in the past, you can say told. After that, the object or pronoun, object, which is maybe the pronoun. After that, the infinitive verb. The infinitive verb. For example, okay, we want to understand now. We have an example. My mother, okay, is saying, can you help me? Okay, this is her question or her saying, can you help me? So we say, my mother, this is the subject. Asked, okay, asked, tell, told, maybe asked at the past. The object or the pronoun, me, my mother asked me. She didn't ask Abdullah, she didn't ask Sami, she didn't ask my sister, she asked me. My mother asked me to help her. Okay, my mother asked me to help her. Okay, so this is the reporting or requesting. When we have a sentence and we have the word said, we should change it to told. For example, turn right. Someone said, turn right. Who said that? Said Umar to his brother. Okay, so we have to say, Umar, this is the subject. He said this. He said this one. Okay, Umar told. Okay, told. Umar told. We said we have to change said into told. Said we have to change it told. Okay, Umar told his brother to turn right. So Umar told his brother to turn right. Okay? Next, when we have don't, we have to change it to not. Don't, we have to change it to not. For example, don't be late, said their parents. So their parents said, don't be late. So we have to say, this is the subject. We have to put it in the beginning. Their parents told, okay, this is said. Oh, that's good. We change it into told. Said, we change it told. Said, we have to change it told. Okay? Their parents told them. Their parents told them not to be late. Can you see it? We cannot say don't. No, that's wrong. Not to be late. Not. Okay? So far, so good. Very nice. Beautiful. So, A, we have an exercise. Report the requests and commands. I'll give you the sentence and I want you to report it for me. Number 1, put on your seat belt. Put on your seat belt. The father said to his children. Okay, I want you to report this sentence. Do it. I want to see it on the chat. Report it. Give me the answer. What can we say? What do you think? Anyone? Put on your seat belt. The father said to his children. Okay, what is the subject here? Who is the subject? Who is the subject? Can you tell me who is the subject? Who said put on your seatbelt? Very nice. Excellent, Amir. The father. Okay. So we have to say, okay, the father. This is the father. Okay, the father. Can you see it? I think you can see it, isn't it? The father. Very nice, beautiful. So, the father. After that, what should we say? We have said. This is said. So we have to change it into told. Excellent, beautiful. Excellent. Okay, so told. Okay. The father told who? The father told who? What do you think? The father told the student, Ahmed, told me, the children or his children. Beautiful. Excellent. Excellent. His children. Okay. His children. The father told his children. Now we have to say to. Okay. Let me write to. This is, yes, this is to what? To what? Very easy now. What do you think? To put on your seat belt. Beautiful. To put on their seat belts. Okay. We have to change it there. To. Yes, we wrote to. Put on. There. We have to say there. Okay. Their seat belts. Okay, let's fix it. That's it. Can you see it? Very easy. So the father told his children to put on their seat belts. Yes, Abdullah, go ahead. Yes, you can ask your question. Okay, number 2. What do you think about number 2? Who can give me the answer for number 2? Would you drive us to the airport? Abdullah's cousins ask me. So what do you think about this one? Who can tell me? Excellent. We have to start with the subject. Excellent, Abdullah. The first thing, Abdullah. After that. Okay. Is it Abdullah? Only Abdullah? Abdullah what? Abdullah? At first, Abdullah's. This is together. Okay. Excellent. Yes, that's right. This is together. It's not only Abdullah. Abdullah's cousins. Abdullah's cousins. Okay. After that, Abdullah's cousins or his cousins. Okay. It's acceptable. Okay. What do you think? Abdullah's cousins? Asked. Beautiful. Excellent. Asked. Okay. Asked. Abdullah's cousins asked. What do you think? Asked him. Beautiful. Asked him to. Asked him to. What do you think? To drive them to the airport. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Excellent. This is the answer. This is number 1. This is number 2. Excellent. Abdullah's cousins asked him to drive them to the airport. Beautiful. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much. Okay, number 3. Let's continue number 3. Please, don't drive so fast. The woman said to her husband. What is the first thing? What do you think? The woman. Beautiful. The woman. Okay. The woman said. We have to change it. The woman told her husband. Okay, beautiful. Excellent. The woman told. We cannot say his husband. Okay, Ibrahim. We have to say her husband. Okay, because she's female woman, we have to say her. Okay, her husband. Very nice, beautiful. Her husband what? The woman told her husband. Can we say don't? What do you think? Don't? Is it good, don't? We said that we have to change don't. Excellent. Not to. Not to. Beautiful. Not to. Not to what? Not to drive so fast. Beautiful. Excellent. So, the woman told her husband not to drive so fast. Beautiful. Excellent. Thank you very much. I should give you a star. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Number 4. Don't ride your motorcycle in the rain, said the mother to her son. Okay, what is the first thing? The subject. The mother, beautiful. The mother, okay, the mother said we have to change it to, what do you think? The mother told. Okay, excellent, very nice, beautiful, Ibrahim. So we have to say told, the mother told. Okay, who? Told who? Okay, the mother told. What do you think? Her son, beautiful. Her son. Don't, we have to change it. Don't. Not to. Excellent. Not to. Okay, not to drive his motorcycle in the rain. Beautiful. Everyone, all of you, thank you very much. That's right. The mother told her son not to drive his motorcycle, okay, his motorcycle into the rain. Beautiful. Thank you very much, all of you. Brilliant students, really excellent, very excellent students. Okay, we have a passage, or you can say a text. I will read it for you. Then we have to answer this one. B, what did the driving instruction say? Write the requests and commands. Okay, so we want to know the instruction. Okay, the requests, the commands. Okay, listen. I had my third driving lesson. Yesterday, it was the first time I drove on the highway. The driving instructor told me to turn into the highway carefully. He asked me to drive faster, so I sped up. There was a truck moving slowly in front of me. He told me not to tailgate, so I passed the truck. Then he told me to watch out for the motorcycle. I changed lanes quickly to avoid the motorcycle. Then the driving instructor asked me to pull over and stop the car because I was driving dangerously. What did I do wrong? Okay, the tailgate, which means you follow something or someone. You are walking or driving behind this thing the whole time. Okay, Ryan? So when you're driving behind another car the whole time, you are tailgating this car. Excellent. Okay. So, can you give me the first instruction? What do you think? The first instruction, what is it? Quickly, we want to do this one quickly. The first thing that he asked him, the driving instructor told me to turn into the highway carefully. Beautiful. Excellent. Okay. If you are talking about yourself, yes, that's right. The driving instructor told me to turn into the highway carefully. This is the second one. Okay. What else? What do you think? Can you give me another one? What can we say also? Okay. Turn into the highway. Don't tailgate. Okay. Don't. And. Okay. Then he told me to wait. To watch out, you mean. Excellent, Ibrahim. Then he told me to watch out for the truck. That's right. Watch out for the motorcycle. The motorcycle, exactly. Then he told me to watch out for the motorcycle. Excellent. And can you give me another one, the last one? What do you think? Will you drive faster? Beautiful. Excellent. So, the first thing, turn into the highway carefully. Could, would, can, will you drive faster? Don't tailgate. Watch out for the motorcycle. Could, would, can, will you pull over and stop the car? So we can say it in instruction. We can say it with reporting. We can use the reporting. Okay, we can use the instruction as we said. Don't tailgate. Turn into the highway carefully, and so on. Beautiful. Thank you very much, everyone. So this is the summary for our lesson. Use can, could, will, would to make requests. This is the request. The commands use imperatives to give instruction. The reporting, if you want to report or request the command ask, we use ask, tell, told. After that, the object or the pronoun. After that, the infinitive verb. Okay, this is the end of our lesson. You know, really, I'm happy to be with you, and I hope I see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.